Hi boys and girls, we are going to talk about the letter V today. There are a couple materials that you are going to need to make sure you have for this lesson. So you might want to go grab those and pause the video and come back, okay? You need your whiteboard, your marker, your eraser, and both of your finger tracing cards for the uppercase V and the lowercase v. All right, those are the things that you need. Okay, before we learn our new letter for today, let's do our ABC chart. I'm going to point to it and I need you to read it along with me. Are you ready? A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, goat. H, house. I, igloo. J, jump rope. K, kite. L, leaf. M, magnet. N, nest. O, ostrich. P, pumpkin. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tiger. U, umbrella. V, vest. W, watch. X, x-ray. Y, yo-yo. Z, zebra. Okay, let's talk about our brand new letter for today, and that is the letter V. Please read along with me. V, vest. Do you hear how vest starts with V? Listen, vest. That is because the letter V makes the sound V that you hear at the beginning of vest. Can you think of another word that starts like vest? Good. What about the word violin? Do you hear the V at the beginning of violin? Great. Okay, so we are going to practice writing the letter V. It is important that we know how to write each one of our letters. So you should have your finger tracing cards, and let's look at our uppercase V first. Remember, when we write, we always go top to bottom, left to right. So I'm going to start in the top left corner. Put your finger right there. We are going to trace it and say the name. Ready? V. Do it again. V. Very good. Okay, now I want you to just trace it on the table or wherever you're working at. Ready? V. One more time. V. Okay, and now we are going to practice writing the letter V. So you need your marker and your whiteboard. Okay, you might notice that the V slants. Do you see how the line slants down? So you're going to slant down and slant back up. Watch me do that one more time. You're going to notice I do not pick up my marker. I keep it on the board the whole time. Watch. You slant down and you slant up. V. Now you try it. V. Do it again. V. Sometimes it's tricky to get those slants right. It's just something that gets a lot easier with practice. So if it's tricky for you to make those slant lines for the V, just keep practicing. Okay, go ahead and erase your V's. Now we are going to practice our lowercase v, and you might notice it looks just like the uppercase. If you can write the uppercase V, you can write the lowercase v. This one is just smaller. All right, so same thing. Get your finger. Make sure you're using your finger on your finger tracing card, not your marker. Put it at the top left, and let's trace it. V. Do it again. V. One more time. Make sure you say it. V. Awesome job. Okay, so now I want you to just write. You can either write it in the air, or you can write it on your hand, or you can just use the table. Ready? V. Do it one more time. V. Awesome job. Okay, so we are going to practice writing the letter V now. So now you need your marker. And let's write the letter V. It is exactly like the uppercase. V. Do it again. V. Write two more lowercase v's. V. V. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, what letter have we practiced today? The letter V. You may close your marker, make sure it's closed all the way, and erase your board so it's ready for next time. And that is the letter V. Bye.